Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the newest way to scan a Shopee QR code in 2025. Quick, simple, and hassle-free. If you've ever struggled with scanning QR codes on Shopee, this guide is for you, so stay tuned till the end. First, make sure you have the Shopee app installed on your phone. If you don't, just head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Shopee, and install it. It only takes a few seconds. Once installed, open the Shopee app and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see the main interface. Look for the scan icon. It's usually on the left side. Tap on it and your camera will open, ready to scan any Shopee QR code. Simply point your camera at the code and in a moment you'll be taken directly to the page or payment screen linked to that code. There's also another way using the Shopee Pay app. Open Shopee Pay and you'll see the scan option there as well. Tap it, scan the QR code, and you're done. It's that simple. And that's it. Whether you're using the main Shopee app or Shopee Pay, scanning QR codes has never been easier. If you run into any questions or issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick and easy tutorial like this. Happy scanning and see you in the next video.